Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to check the speed of the hard drive in Windows. To start, in the search box, enter CMD, click on Run as Administrator, press Yes to open the terminal. In the console, execute the command winsat disk-drive drive letter. To know the letter, you must open the File Explorer. Press Enter. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Here we will wait for the analysis to be carried out. At the end, you can see all the hard disk speed details. You can repeat this process for other letters of drives available on PC. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.